Now we will see how we will choose the field lengths of Q, B and A in case of restore and division algorithm. So as I told earlier, Q field is used to hold your dividend, then B field is used to hold your divisor. So if you see here, your dividend is 23. So how will you represent 23? This is the representation of 23, that is 101 double 1. Then your divisor is 3, and 3 you can just represent using 2 bits double 1. Okay, but as told earlier, in case of a restore and division algorithm, Q and B fields should be of equivalent size. Okay, they should each be of a particular size, say n. So if you see, consider these two numbers 23 and 3. 23 requires more number of bits than 3, obviously. So 23, it requires 5 bits. So we will also consider representing 3 in 5 bits. So both the Q field as well as the B field, we will fix it as 5 bits. Okay, so that's how we got the 5 bit length for Q field and B field. As I told earlier, the A field, where everything is initially kept as 0, is 1 bit greater in size than Q field and B field. So here A field is 6 bit in size, as Q and B are each 5 bits in size. Okay, so that fixes the number of bits for the various numbers, and we may occasionally need to do subtraction of divisor from the dividend. Okay, why? Because division is repeated subtraction. So as we are going to divide 23 with 3, we may need to subtract 3 continuously from 23. So we need -3 also represented in a convenient format. Here we are going to use 2's complement representation. So my -3 is represented in 2's complement format. Note that the 2's complement representation should be suited for the size of A, because we are going to do subtraction at A side. Okay, not on Q. Even though we have the dividend in Q, the subtraction, repeated subtraction, is done on the A part, not on Q. So A is fixed as 6 bits. So the 2's complement representation of 3 or -3, even though it can be represented in 3 bits, actually need to be represented in 6 bits. Okay, so we have finalized the field sizes for Q, B as well as A, and also we fixed how the 2's complement of the divisor needs to be represented. Now we need to look at the number of steps involved in restoring division. Okay, so the number of steps involved in restoring division is, if you see here, it is exactly equal to the size of the A field. Okay, including the initialization phase. So if you are starting the initialization phase with 0, okay, there are steps numbered from 0 to 5 here. It means that there are total 6 steps including the initialization part. Okay, so this is all about fixing the sizes of the various fields of the table and the number of steps or iterations we need to perform in case of a restoring division algorithm.